Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English Spark. I'm Mark, your English teacher from the U.S.
And I'm Sophia from Colombia. Hello, everyone.
Hey, Sophia, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks, Mark. I just came back from the dentist's office.
Oh, really? The dentist? That's not always fun.
No, it's not. But I had to go for a checkup.
I see. Did you have to wait long?
No, not really. I booked my appointment last week, so everything was on time.
Perfect. And that's our topic for today. How to book appointments in English.
Nice. It's something we all need to do. Doctor, dentist, salon, everything.
Exactly. So let's talk about how to do it politely and clearly. 1. Making an appointment by phone. So, Sophia, when you call a doctor's office, what's the first thing you say?
I usually say, "Hello, I'd like to make an appointment, please."
Perfect. Very polite. You can also say, "Hi, I'd like to book an appointment with the doctor."
Oh, that sounds nice too.
Then they'll probably ask, "What day and time would you like?"
And I can say, "Is there anything available on Thursday morning?"
Excellent. That's a great phrase. Is there anything available?
I like that one. It sounds natural.
Yes. And if you're flexible, you can say, "I'm available anytime after 2 p.m."
Oh, that's helpful. So they can choose a time that fits.
Exactly. Let's role play. I'll be the receptionist, and you'll be Sophia calling for a doctor's appointment.
Okay.
Good morning, City Health Clinic. How can I help you?
Hello, I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Smith, please.
Sure. What day would you like to come in?
Is there anything available on Thursday morning?
Let me check. Yes, we have 10:30 a.m. or 11:15 a.m.
10:30 sounds great.
All right. I've booked you for Thursday at 10:30 a.m. What's your full name, please?
Sophia Morales.
Thank you, Ms. Morales. Please arrive 10 minutes early.
Great, thank you very much.
You're welcome. See you Thursday.
Bye.
Perfect. That was great, Sophia.
Thanks, Mark. That felt natural.
And that's a real example of how to make an appointment by phone. 2. Changing or canceling an appointment. Now, what if you can't go? You need to change or cancel the appointment.
Oh, yes, that happens sometimes.
Right. In that case, you can say, "Hi, I'd like to change my appointment, please."
Or, I'd like to cancel my appointment for tomorrow.
Exactly. And you can add a reason. "I'm not feeling well," or "something came up."
That's a polite way to explain.
Yes. And if you want to reschedule, say, "Can I reschedule for another day?"
Reschedule means change to a new date, right?
Exactly. Re means again. So you're scheduling again.
Got it.
12. Role play, changing an appointment. Sophia.
Hi, this is Sophia Morales. I have an appointment tomorrow at 10 a.m., but I need to reschedule.
Sure, no problem. When would you like to come in?
Is there anything available on Friday morning?
Yes, we have 9:45 a.m. or 11 a.m.?
11 would be perfect.
Okay, I've moved your appointment to Friday at 11.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
That was excellent, Sophia.
Thank you. I'd like to reschedule. It sounds polite and professional.
It really does. 3, booking other appointments. Now, we don't just book doctor appointments, right?
Right. There are hair appointments, job interviews, even restaurant reservations.
Exactly. Let's do a few quick examples. Hair salon.
Hello, I'd like to make a hair appointment for Saturday afternoon.
Sure. What time would you like?
Is 2 p.m. available?
Yes. See you then.
Easy.
I. Job interview. Hello. I'd like to confirm my interview time for Tuesday.
Of course. You're booked for 3 p.m.
Perfect. Thank you.
I. Restaurant reservation. Hi, I'd like to book a table for 2, please.
What day and time?
Friday night at 7 p.m.
You're all set.
Great.
See? The structure is always similar. 1. Say hello. 2. Explain what you want. 3. Give the date and time. 4. Confirm the details. 5. Say thank you.
I love that. It's so clear.
4. Useful phrases and expressions. Let's review some key phrases we use today.
Okay.
Mark, repeat after me. I'd like to make an appointment, please.
Is there anything available on Thursday morning?
Can I reschedule my appointment?
Can you confirm the time, please?
Thank you for your help.
Is there anything available on Thursday? Can you confirm the time, please?
Excellent pronunciation, Sophia.
Thanks, Teacher Mark.
5. Common mistakes. Let's talk about a few mistakes English learners make when booking appointments.
Okay.
First, many people say, I want make appointment. That's incorrect. You need to, I want to make an appointment.
Oh, right. I want to make.
Exactly. Second, some people forget to say please or thank you. Politeness is very important in English.
Yes, it makes the conversation more friendly.
Exactly. And third, people often forget to confirm the time. Always repeat it. So, Thursday at 10:30, right?
That's a good idea.
6. Practice challenge. Okay, time for a quick challenge.
Uh-oh, here we go.
I'll say a situation, and you tell me what you'd say in English.
All right.
You need to book a haircut for Friday at 3 p.m.
Hello, I'd like to make a hair appointment for Friday at 3 p.m., please.
Excellent. Now, you can't go to your doctor tomorrow.
Hi, I'd like to cancel my appointment for tomorrow, please.
Great job. You want to confirm your interview.
Hello, I'd like to confirm my interview time for Tuesday.
Perfect. You're ready for real life, Sophia.
Yay! Thank you, Teacher Mark.
All right. So, everyone listening, remember these tips when booking appointments. A. be polite. 2, speak clearly. 3, confirm your time. 4, say thank you.
And don't worry if your English isn't perfect. Just try.
Exactly. The goal is communication, not perfection.
Thank you, Mark. I learned a lot today.
You did great, Sophia.
And thanks to everyone listening to English Spark.
Don't forget to practice these phrases. Maybe call a doctor or book a haircut in English.
Yes, practice in a real life. That's how you improve.
All right, that's all for today. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.